Hey everybody, you can see that the garage and the car is looking a little bit different here. We're currently doing renovations. I'm back with another video because I wanted to get started on doing something with this disgusting thing. That is the AC. It was seizing, it was turning my car off. There was no gas in it. I didn't want to film it just in case someone was going to complain and say, oh, you know, like there was gas in it. There was no gas in it, so it just went out, and now it's an open loop system. Is it a loop if it's open? Guys, this is a pretty big moment for me. I've been fearing taking the AC out for the last 6 months. I'm finally here. And it broke. And wow. She is out. This is a ground for something. Whew, that hurt a lot. It's got leather around here, like actual real leather. Remind me that this is a ground cable. And she's out. There's a lot of just garbage in here. What is this? It's wow, it's a gasket or something like that. I don't know, but that's nasty. I would imagine coolant should have a filter because that is nasty. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at what's underneath. So there's some finer grit stuff. I'm not too worried about it. I would say that's a success. So I'm not going to filter it again. Nice. Okay. That is a decent piece of aluminum right there. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh. I do not have to drain and remove the radiator in order to get this piece of garbage off. Oh my goodness. And there you have it, one entire AC removal from the 944. I'm not gonna clean this whole area up just yet because I still have a few other projects on the way, and I'm not gonna put the alternator back in. Man, isn't that a satisfying sound? Jeez. Beautiful. I'm not gonna put the alternator back in yet because I have a plan that I'm trying to work out, but I just wanted to make sure I can pump out this video so that at least you have something until the next one comes. So be sure to like and subscribe this video if you did like it and you would want to see more, or you want to see more. Comment, I read all the comments, and yeah, just let me know what you think about the car, any tips that you might have for me. Someone's helped me out in the past through the YouTube comment section, so thank you for that. And yeah, till next time, which hopefully will be soon. See ya.